Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to fix Amazon Flex support code AM-00. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Sign out and sign back in. Log out of the Amazon Flex app. Close the app completely and reopen it. Sign back in to see if the error persists. 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can cause issues with the app. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. 3. Update the Amazon Flex app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Amazon Flex and check if there is an update available. If there is an update, install it and then restart the app. 4. Clear cache, Android. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, Apps, Amazon Flex, Storage, Clear cache. Restart the app to see if the error is fixed. 5. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary issues with apps. Restart your phone and open the Amazon Flex app again. 6. Check for Amazon Flex system issues. Sometimes the error can be caused by an issue on Amazon's end. Visit Amazon's Flex support page or check forums for any ongoing system issues or maintenance that might be causing the AM00 error. 7. Contact Amazon Flex support. If none of the above steps work, you can contact Amazon Flex support for further assistance. Open the Amazon Flex app, tap on the Help button, select Contact Us to reach out to Amazon Flex support. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.